What's up guys, it's Daniel and you're watching an episode of Detox, where I flush out all my brain farts or emotional farts or sometimes just regular farts. And hopefully, get a lesson out of it. Get it? Detox. Detox, flush, Anyways, ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin is about the perfect girlfriend. Ngayon, bago natin pag-usapan yun, gusto ko lang ipuna is bakit parati na lang pinag-uusapan ang perfect boyfriend. Mahirap makahanap ng perfect boyfriend. Mahirap makahanap ng perfect boyfriend na may pera, mabait, gwapo, or pwede kahit may tsura na. Hindi babaero, hindi boring kausap, athletic, mayaman, walang bisyo, may plano sa buhay, matalino, marunong makiramdam, malaki titi, malinis, at higit sa lahat, maraming pera. Konti lang, di ba? Hindi lang yun. Ngayon, pag ikaw ang babae, tapos hinahanap mo to sa lalaki, tawag sa'yo, practical. Pero bakit wala masyadong nag-uusap about sa perfect girlfriend? Ngayon, usually, ang definition ng perfect girlfriend para sa mga lalaki yung maganda, malaki boobs, loyal, malaki puwet, marunong magluto, at higit sa lahat, masarap sa kama. Kasama. Ngayon, pag lalaki ka naman, tapos ganito hanap mo sa babae, alam mo kung anong tawag sa'yo? Tawag sa'yo, choosy. Choosy ka? Anong gusto mo na sa'yo lahat? Ano kasi na swerte? Chill. Well, for me kasi, isa lang ang definition ng isang perfect girlfriend. So, ang definition ng perfect girlfriend is yung girlfriend na alam niya kung ano yung gusto niya. Isipin mo mabuti, 90% of the time na nag-aaway ang BF saka GF is because ang rason lang naman is kasi hindi alam ni BF kung ano yung gusto ni GF. Kahit na si GF mismo hindi niya alam kung ano yung gusto niya, ngayon magalit siya kasi yung BF niya hindi alam kung ano yung gusto niya. Ngayon malalaman niya lang kung ano yung gusto niya kasi nagsabi ka ng mali. Nagsuggest ka ng bagay na hindi niya gusto, ngayon mali ka na. Wala ka lang kawala, wala kang panalo. Sorry, ikaw mali. Tanggapin mo na yun. Anong gusto mong kainin? I don't know. Anong gusto mo bilhin? I don't know. Saan mo gusto pumunta? I don't know. Ano iniisip mo? I don't know. Ano yung English nang di mo alam? Because one day, they're like, I want a man who can support me through my katakawan. So, you're like, okay. Then, kakain kayo ng sobrang daming pagkain, i-spoil mo siya. Tapos, bukas, they be like, I'm fat, you don't motivate me to get sexier. I hate you, you're the worst boyfriend ever. You don't give me what I need. So now, nakatingin ka lang sa kanya looking like... So, in conclusion lang, what I'm trying to say is, just like the perfect boyfriend, finding the perfect girlfriend in this world is impossible. Well, not really. So guys, if you have someone like that, stop fucking around and wife that girl. Seriously. Makakatipid kayo sa biogesic. Makakatipid kayo sa sakit ng ulo. Ano ba? Lower heart rate. Hindi ka prone to heart attack. Hindi ka prone to sakit ng ulo. Hindi ka prone to high blood. Ang daming benefits, man. So for me naman, the perfect girlfriend would be like, whenever you ask a question, she knows what she wants. She knows what she wants and knows how to get it. Not necessarily kailangan na manipula ka niya, pero alam niya kung paano niya kukunin. Kung gusto niya ng pagkain, pwede naman sabihin sa'yo. Kung hindi ka pwede, pwedeng humingi siya sa nanay niya or whatever. Basta may way siya. Independent woman. Strong, independent woman. Kaso, ang problema lang dun, I think that they don't need a man. For me, that's bullshit. A woman needs a man just like a man needs a woman. And that's it for this episode of Detox. If you guys have any suggestions, comments, and violent reactions, feel free to put it in the comment box. And kung may gusto kayong topic na pag-usapan ko, don't forget to put it there then. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this on Facebook, whatever, Twitter. Then don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, thank you. I hope you guys like this brain farts of mine. So like I always say, it's okay to fart just as long as it's from the heart. Detox.